from Slovenia again. I have some paints to use today. I have some Windsor violet, red violet, some red, some yellow, some gold, some pearl white. And I will just pour them into my split cup, and I will use just 4 chambers today. Maybe this will be better for you to see. So I will basically just pour some of this red violet and some Windsor violet. I'm kind of pouring in a dirty matter, or how can I say, don't layer them, careful or something. And this is cadmium red dip and some pyro red and some of this deep red again. We'll just scrape this red violet into this chamber. And here I will add some gold and some pearl white, and cover it with gold again. And some pearl white on top. Okay. And the last will be some Indian yellow and some red, vermilion hue, and some more yellow. And okay, I was kind of thinking to add a little black somewhere, but no, I don't know anymore. Maybe just a little bit here. And now I will pour this. I like it. I really hope that I would keep a little more of that I poured around. But I didn't. You know, the stuff that I poured around was just beautiful. But this is beautiful too, so let me take you down for a close-up. It's not bad at all, but still. See that part? I was hoping to keep it, but I didn't. Have to figure out for the next time. But this feather here is beautiful, and here is that pearl white and gold, and some pearl white here around. Gives some kind of wispy look. So I kind of see a bird here. So I will keep it. I will say I'm happy with this one too. But next time I will try to, you know, just do that stuff that it was around in the middle. I don't know how. We'll try. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the dry results. So here is dry. I love it. I love that this purple is almost black. It's purple just, if you look at it in that corner, but it gives a really beautiful contrast to the other parts. I'm still sad that I didn't manage to keep that featherings that I did around. I definitely have to figure out how to do this in the middle, but I'm happy with this painting anyway. I'll prefer this orientation, but that's how it is. Maybe in a week or so I will like the other orientation, but for now this is my go-to. And the pearl white with some transparency and some cloudiness just add something to this painting. I think I really love it. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye.